the first living being came from outside the Earth, such as iron material. This option is what I watched in documentary films produced by atheists to explain their theory.
And the universe has been around 14 billion years, plenty of time to evolve all manner of creatures out there, particularly microorganisms. We have no reason to not think of microorganisms as aliens. They don't have to have built a ship. There's just alien life on another planet.
In fact, it saves a lot of trouble, reflection, and research about how to conceive the origin of the first being. But this option has several gaps.
1. There is not a single scientific piece of evidence for the existence of extraterrestrial beings. 2. If extraterrestrial beings exist, we do not have any evidence that they placed living organisms on our planet. That is a hypothetical assumption to prove the theory. 3. If extraterrestrial beings do exist, and these beings were the ones who placed some living organisms on Earth, plants and animals, this does not answer our question. How did life originate on the planet of these extraterrestrials? Therefore, we would return to the starting point, but on another planet. 4. Microorganisms cannot reach our planet via meteorites. Meteorites are not a suitable environment for life, and they take tens of years to reach Earth. No known organism can endure living without water for that period. The meteoroids that come to Earth from within our solar system or from outside it take hundreds or thousands of years in outer space to finally reach Earth, after being influenced by external forces that alter their natural trajectories.
Option 2. There is a creator, designer, who placed organisms on our planet and instilled in them a survival instinct so that the process of evolution could begin. In this way, there would be no random probabilities, because of the designer. Thus the organisms would evolve rapidly until they reach the fully formed animal within about 600 million years, instead of billions upon billions of years to obtain a single protein molecule. This idea provides a logical solution, not scientific, to the fundamental question: how did life arise from a mass that exploded 14 billion years ago? And it agrees with all the fossils scientists have found of the earliest primitive life forms, but it conflicts with the basic atheistic principle: there is no God. Although this idea seems logical, it also contains some gaps.
1. This option does not explain the appearance and persistence of the idea that living beings have two sexes, male and female, for reproduction. Why did not an organism capable of reproduction without needing another sex? Why did not 3 sexes or 4 appear? 2. The ability to innovate is the most important trait of humans, and that is why they are now the masters of this planet, with no competition. Why doesn't any other sex possess this trait besides humans?
Option 3. The Creator is the one who created everything in its primordial form, plants of all kinds, animals of all kinds, humans, and endowed them all with the trait of adaptation to the environment, so their traits changed according to the different environments we live in. This is the religious people's view, but it will be explained in the next episode.